Now, amid the ongoing voter Adhikar Yatra in the state of Bihar on the part of the Congress party, the Bharatiya Janata Party has now leveled a serious allegation against Rahul Gandhi and the Congress. The BJP has put out a video on its social media handle from what they call as the Congress's rally, where workers can be seen hurling abuses against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now, the Bharatiya Janata Party has strongly condemned the language that has been used by both the RJD and the Congress in this particular video that they've now put out from the social media handle. Let's listen into what took place. Now that, of course, is the reaction on the part of the BJP, which has decided to put that particular video out, claiming that both the RJD as well as the Congress are indulging in personal abuse against the Prime Minister of India. Now let's in fact also take a look at this tweet that's been put out by the national spokesperson of the BJP, Pradeep Bhandari. He says the language that's been used by the Congress RJD is not political discourse, it is street level filth. This is the language of goons. Bihar will not tolerate such thugs. So the Bharatiya Janata Party, of course, taking strong umbrage to the kind of remarks that were made or abuses hurled at that particular rally in the state of Bihar. Let me go across to my colleague Saket as well for more on this. Saket, भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने ये वीडियो ट्वीट किया है, ये कहां एग्जैक्टली हुआ था ये इंसिडेंट, और कांग्रेस पार्टी की क्या रिएक्शन रही है इस वीडियो को सोशल मीडिया में पब्लिश करने के बाद?
देखिए, ये दरभंगा में जब राहुल गांधी की वोटर अधिकार यात्रा चल रही थी, उस दौरान जाले विधानसभा पड़ता है, उसी इलाके में जो चूंकि यात्रा जब राहुल गांधी की निकलती है तो जगह जगह इस तरह के मंच बनाए जाते हैं जहां पर राहुल गांधी के लिए नुक्कड़ सभाएं होती है। और यहीं पर नौसाद है जो एआईसीसी के मेंबर है, उसके द्वारा, और जाले विधानसभा से वो इस बार टिकट की दावेदारी भी अपना कर रहे हैं, उसी के द्वारा ये पूरा कार्यक्रम वहां पर आयोजित किया गया था जाले विधानसभा में। और वहीं पर जब राहुल गांधी वहां से गुजरने वाले थे, उससे पहले ये भीड़ जो है वो वहां पर मंच पर थी और जिस तरह से नारेबाजी हुई, अभद्र टिप्पणी प्रधानमंत्री के ऊपर की गई, उसके बाद अब बिहार में सियासत गर्म हो गई है। जो बीजेपी है लगातार अपमान की बात उठाते हुए माफी मांगने की मांग कर रही है कांग्रेस और आरजेडी से, क्योंकि ये इंडिया गठबंधन के तरफ से ये पूरी यात्रा चल रही है और अगर इसमें प्रधानमंत्री को लेकर इस तरह से गाली गलौज किया गया है तो इस पर पूरे इंडिया गठबंधन के नेताओं को माफी मांगना चाहिए। तेजस्वी यादव को घेरा जा रहा है, राहुल गांधी को घेरा जा रहा है और वाजिब भी है, प्रधानमंत्री है देश के, और उनके लिए जिस तरह के शब्दों का प्रयोग किया गया ये अपने आप में दर्शाता है कि किस तरह से जो विपक्षी पार्टियां है उसके अंदर प्रधानमंत्री को लेकर ईर्ष्या और गुस्से की भावना है, और वही ये तमाम चीजें दर्शाता है। मोहम्मद नौसाद जो कि जाले से अपनी दावेदारी कर रहे हैं, एआईसीसी के मेंबर हैं, उनके द्वारा ये जब कार्यक्रम आयोजित किया गया था तो जिम्मेदारी उनकी बनती है कि उनके मंच से इस तरह के अगर भाषा का प्रयोग किया गया है तो निश्चित तौर पर कांग्रेस को इस पर अपना रुख साफ करना चाहिए और उनको नौसाद से सवाल पूछना चाहिए।
साकिब, जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ because we have the national spokesperson of the BJP, Pradeep Bhandari, joining us, and we of course took our viewers through that social media message that Mr. Bhandari had put out a short while ago. Mr. Bhandari, these are of course remarks that we've beeped out in that rally that was held in Jale, where these abuses were hurled at Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now this is despite Rahul Gandhi having said as far back as 2019 that no personal remarks must be made against the Prime Minister on the part of any congressman. Obviously, those remarks have not been taken seriously by members of his own party, and one can also, of course, question the silence of Rahul Gandhi as well as the rest of the Congress following such remarks having been made.
Well, Rahul Gandhi is acting and behaving like a political urban Naxal. All his acts and attributes are exactly of that. Now, a political urban Naxal and a man who believes in following the urban Naxal ideology will definitely personally abuse the Honorable Prime Minister and his late mother. This tells you the sanskar of the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi, that because of being so frustrated that you have lost 90 election and the people of India have given you your real place, you have now started to abuse the Honorable Prime Minister and his late mother. Such statements have never been heard in Indian politics. The people of Bihar will give these anti-Bihari and anti-Indian mindset, because it's not Indian. These are not Indian sanskar to abuse somebody's late mother. These might be Italian sanskar. And this is why we question Rahul Gandhi's loyalty, because a man who believes in Bharatiya values will never do that. So all his workers are saying exactly what Rahul has been parroting in Bihar. Please do not delink the two. All of this is happening on the instruction of Rahul Gandhi, and this is exactly how Parivarwadi behave. They will abuse the Supreme Court when they do not listen to it. They will abuse the sitting Prime Minister and his late mother because they are not being able to come to power democratically, and they will call the people of Bihar as chore because the people of Bihar are not voting for their anti-development politics. This is exactly how Parivarwadis behave, and in the upcoming elections of Bihar will again show them their place, and Bihar will again tell them that how their mindset is not appreciated by the people of Bihar.
Mr. Bhandari, I request you to stay with us because we're getting a Congress response as we speak. Mr. Rashid Alvi joins us on the phone line. Mr. Alvi, this was a rally that was held in Jale in Bihar, where personal abuses were in fact heard against the Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, and his family. And this is clearly a joint Congress RJD rally whose visuals can of course be seen on the screen right now. Will you condemn the personal abuses heard against the Prime Minister, Mr. Alvi?
You know, definitely nobody has right to abuse anybody. And he is Prime Minister of the country. So I do not know to what extent it is correct. If someone has committed this wrong, then definitely it is condemnable, and it is a matter of investigation. If anybody has done it, he may be arrested also, but you cannot blame Congress party. You can't say that he is responsible for this. There are so many BJP workers, they are in habit to abuse Gandhi family and Rahul.
Well, then two wrongs don't make a right. I mean, you're condemning the remarks made by Congress workers, but you're saying you can't blame them. Why do you say you can't blame them when those workers are indulging in this kind of abuse, Mr. Alvi?
No, you please have patience. I have already said it is condemnable. But what I am saying that if any worker of Bharatiya Janata Party has abused Gandhi family, whether we can say that he is doing under the instruction of Narendra Modi? No, not at all. So, in the same manner, you can't say, and Rahul Gandhi, everybody knows, is a very cultured person. So, if anybody has done this, it is
well, let's see if the Congress party takes any disciplinary action whatsoever against the workers responsible for making these kind of remarks. Mr. Alvi and Mr. Bhandari, do stay with us because we have some more reactions coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party.
गांधी की रैली में, राहुल गांधी तेजस्वी जी की रैली में प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को लेकर, उनके परिवार, उनकी माता जी को लेकर बहुत गंदे अपशब्द बोले गए। पर यह हैरानी की बात नहीं है। ये दोनों परिवारवाद के नवाबजादे हैं और इनको लगता है कि इनका परिवार तंत्र देश के लोकतंत्र, संविधान तंत्र, जनता के चुने हुए प्रधानमंत्री पद के ऊपर है। राहुल गांधी ने तो स्वयं जिस प्रकार की भाषा प्रधानमंत्री के लिए इस्तेमाल की है, जो उनसे उम्र में भी, पद में भी, कद में भी बड़े हैं, ये दिखाता है कि ये राहुल गांधी की नीति है। ये जो मानसिकता है ये राहुल गांधी की है कि जो भी प्रधानमंत्री जी को सबसे ज्यादा गाली देगा उसको कांग्रेस में पदोन्नति मिलेगी। इसलिए 150 से ज्यादा गालियां प्रधानमंत्री जी को दी गई है। राहुल गांधी तो कन्विक्टेड है मोदी समाज को चोर बोलने के लिए। डंडे मारेंगे, हिटलर की मौत मरेगा, कब्र खुदेगी मोदी की, डैश डैश की मौत मरेगा, गंगू तेली, नीच, जाति सूचक गालियां देना उनके माता पिता को, उनकी जाति को, उनके समाज को चाय वाला होने पर, ये लगातार कांग्रेस का डीएनए बन चुका है, गाली की पॉलिटिक्स। क्योंकि इनके पास मुद्दे नहीं है, क्योंकि मुद्दे नहीं है और उनको पता है कि बिहार में हार होने वाली है, तो कभी सनातन को गाली, कभी देश को गाली, कभी सेना को गाली, कभी चुनाव आयोग को गाली, कभी प्रधानमंत्री को गाली। इससे पहले भी चिराग पासवान जी की माताजी के विषय में भी तेजस्वी जी की रैली में क्या बोला गया था। तो ये दिखाता है कि ओबीसी, अनुसूचित जाति जनजाति समाज से आने वाले लोगों के प्रति किस प्रकार की दुर्भावना है इन परिवारवादियों की। इन्होंने तो राष्ट्रपति जी को भी ईवल मानसिकता का, द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी को पुअर ओल्ड लेडी, कोविंद जी को कोविड, मुर्मू जी को मुर्मा, इस प्रकार की अभद्र भाषा और अभद्र टिप्पणियां की है। ये इनका चरित्र डीएनए है। बिहार
So, despite Rahul Gandhi in Parliament embracing Prime Minister Modi not long after the 2019 Lok Sabha elections and calling on his party workers to refrain from using any abusive language against the Prime Minister or making any personal remarks, obviously the cadre on the ground in the Congress party have not been listening to Rahul Gandhi, and clearly he is also responsible for complete inaction against people who've crossed the line. We did see remarks made by several other congressmen as well subsequent to that appeal on the part of Rahul Gandhi. Pawan Khera, of course, among others. You had chants of Modi Teri Kabar Khudegi as well. So these personal abuses and personal remarks on the part of the Congress party against the Prime Minister have simply not stopped. Let's once again listen in to what actually transpired at that rally in Jale in Bihar. It appears to be a joint Congress RJD rally. And you do see Congress flags being waved by party workers. We have Lok Sabha Member of Parliament, Mr. Manikam Tagore, joining us right now. Mr. Tagore, this video shows a group of Congress workers in Jale in Bihar hurling abuses at the Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. How do you respond to these remarks and these abuses?
I have not seen any video, but what is the video? If somebody, some miscreants doing this thing, means that we cannot be answerable for that.
But you do see visuals of people holding Congress flags and certain slogans and chants being chanted. We've actually been beeping those slogans out, sir, because they're abusive in nature. But it's not just Prime Minister Modi, his family has also been invoked in those slurs or those abuses. So would you condemn these remarks?
These kind of activities are always done by RSS and Bajrang Dal activities. They does that kind of activities. They can hold any party flag, okay? But don't drag Congress into this kind of things.
But why? Where's the question of dragging the Congress where these visuals clearly show Congress workers at that particular rally? Sir, it's not BJP flags, it's clearly Congress flags. Unless you have evidence at your disposal that the video may be doctored, and we'll ask that question to the BJP as well, because they're the ones who've put this video out. Would you condemn the use of those kind of abuses, irrespective of who's responsible for hurling them?
We are very clear. Congress party, we don't use this kind of language. This is RSS language, Bajrang Dal language. Okay? Whatever abuses and others, they only use this kind of language, those kind of languages. And we all know that times now should be very clear. There are many issues to be discussed. Instead of some fake videos and others, let us not discuss about it. Don't call me also on this. Okay?
Okay, one final question, because the quality of public discourse is also very important. Now, Mr. Manikam Tagore, of course, disconnecting the line with us, because we did, in fact, ask him for his response about that video. We have IP Singh also joining us right now. Mr. Singh, आप ये सब कैसे देखते हैं? गाली गलौच हो रही है आरजेडी और कांग्रेस की रैली में बिहार में, जहां पे प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी के खिलाफ पर्सनल रिमार्क्स किए जा रहे हैं, अब्यूजेस हर्ल किए जा रहे हैं. इसके बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे, खंडन करेंगे क्या?
देखिए, एक तो ऐसा संभव नहीं है कि गाली गलौजों हो सकता है कि बीजेपी अपने लोगों को प्लांट किया उस रैली में कि वो इस तरह की भाषा बोले. दूसरा, बीजेपी ये इमोशनल कार्ड खेलती है. प्रधानमंत्री जी स्वयं बार बार आते हैं और जब चुनावी राज्यों के दौरे पर जाते हैं तो कहते हैं साहब हमें गाली दी जा रही है. लेकिन मर्यादा प्रधानमंत्री जी भी उस वक्त भूल जाते हैं जब पश्चिम बंगाल में जाते हैं और कहते हैं ओ दीदी, ओ दीदी. उसके बाद राक्षसी का नाम संसद में हंसने पर किस तरह से उन्होंने कमेंट्स किया था. तो कोई दूध का धुला नहीं. श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी जी के बारे में जब वो मुख्यमंत्री से क्या क्या वो बोला करते थे, अब उसकी चर्चा नहीं होती क्योंकि आज वो देश के प्रधानमंत्री है. लेकिन सबसे बड़ा संकट का दौर ये है जिस पर आपको चर्चा करनी चाहिए, वो ये है कि लगभग 5 लाख करोड़ का जो एक्सपोर्ट है, लोग ब्लीड कर रहे हैं, लोग रो रहे हैं. कानपुर हो, चाहे बनारस हो, चाहे भदोही हो.
हम ये मुद्दे भी उठाते हैं, लेकिन ये बात, ये जो स्टोरी है, ये जो विजुअल्स हम देख रहे हैं, वहां पे गाली गलौच यूज किया गया है प्राइम मिनिस्टर के खिलाफ। अभी आप उसका खंडन करते हैं कि नहीं, वो आसान सा सवाल था। और आप ये भी कह सकते हैं कि अगर आप मानते हैं कि वो वीडियो जेन्युइन नहीं है, तो किस तरह के भी पर्सनल रिमार्क्स किसी के भी खिलाफ किए जाए राजनीति में, उसका आप खंडन करेंगे। दोज रिमार्क्स वुड हैव सफाइस्ड, बट यू हैव डिसाइडेड टू टॉक अबाउट समथिंग एल्स ऑल टुगेदर। थैंक्स मिस्टर IP Singh for joining us. Now, this of course is a commentary also on the quality of public discourse. The Congress party deciding to in fact call this video as fake. That was the expression used by the Lok Sabha Member of Parliament, Mr. Manikam Tagore. Mr. Pradeep Bhandari, who's of course posted that video and made these remarks of condemnation against the Congress in that social media message, standing by what he had said. We'll of course wait and see as to how this evolves. For the time being, we're taking a short break. We'll come back with more on the other side.